Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to remove a watermark from your video using Capcut. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Capcut on your PC and import your video clips. Then add them to the timeline. You'll see there's a watermark on your video. Step 2. Click here to export a still frame from the video and save it to your computer. Step 3. Now go to Google and search for Pixman. Open the Pixman website and look for their magic eraser tool. Step 4. Import the screenshot you just exported into Pixman. Step 5. Select the text tool, and Pixman will automatically identify the text for you. Just click Remove Watermark, and now the watermark is gone. Step 6. Download the cleaned up image back to your computer and import it into Capcut. Then overlay it on your main video in the timeline. Step 7. Use the mask tool, select Rectangle Mask, and then mask over the area where the watermark was. You can adjust the feather parameter until it perfectly covers up the watermark. And that's it, you've successfully removed the watermark from your video using Capcut and Pixman. Let's check the final result. That's it if you found this helpful. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.